If you've never used AI before, this video is for you. You don't need experience, you don't need technical skills, you just need the right mindset. Let's walk through how to start using AI from zero, step by step. Step 1. Change how you think about AI. AI is not a search engine. It's not a magic brain. Think of AI as a smart assistant. An assistant works best when you give clear instructions. If you're vague, the results will be vague. If you're clear, the results improve dramatically. Step 2. Learn to give context. Most beginners make this mistake. They ask short, unclear questions. Instead of saying, "Write an email," say, "Write a professional email to a client explaining a project delay in a polite and calm tone." Context is everything. AI doesn't know what you want unless you explain it. Step 3. Start with simple tasks. Don't try to use AI for complex projects on day one. Start with writing messages, summarizing articles, generating ideas, creating outlines. These small wins build confidence and skill. Step 4. Use follow-up questions. AI works best as a conversation. If the first answer isn't perfect, don't quit. Refine it. Make it shorter. Use simpler language. Give me 3 alternatives. This back and forth is where the real power is. Step 5. Understand AI's limits. AI can make mistakes. It can misunderstand context. It can hallucinate information. Always review results. Never blindly trust critical outputs. AI is a tool, not authority. Step 6. Practice consistently. AI is a skill. The more you use it, the better you get at asking better questions, getting better answers, and saving more time. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Final message. AI is not the future. It's the present. Those who start now, even slowly, will have a massive advantage over those who wait.
Before you leave, let me tell you what this channel is really about. This is not a channel about hype. It's not about fear, and it's definitely not about chasing trends. This channel exists to help you understand technology clearly, especially artificial intelligence, without confusion or exaggeration. AI is changing how we work, learn, and create. Ignoring it won't stop that change, but understanding it gives you control. Here, we break down complex ideas into simple, practical knowledge you can actually use. No technical background required, no fake promises, just clear thinking in a fast-changing world. If you want to stay relevant, productive, and informed in the AI era, this channel is for you. So if this video gave you value, support the channel. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next, because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you. I'll see you in the next video.